Morning students. In this video we are going to see unit 14 transportation in plants and circulation in animal. Last video we saw the same unit, root pressure, uptake of minerals, translocation of mineral ions, phloem transport. In this video from 14.10 and 14.11. First one, translocation of sugars. Translocation of sugar. Second one, ascent of sap and its events. An overview. Third one, gradation. These three topics we will see one by one in detail. Now let us see translocation of sugars. The mechanism of translocation of sugars from source to sink. Already you know, source means where the food is prepared, that leaf. Sink means where the food is utilized or stored. Yes, through the pressure flow hypothesis, glucose prepared at source. Hypothesis means motive. That motive, the sugar is translocated from the source to sink. The sucrose moves into the companion cell. Then into the living phloem sieve tube cells by active transport. This process produces a hypertonic condition in the phloem. Hypertonic condition means semi-solid, like a semi-solid, concentrated, semi-solid. So it cannot move. That time the water in the adjacent xylem, you see the diagram, from the xylem water is moving to phloem in the method of osmosis. The water is moving to the phloem by the osmosis. As osmotic pressure build up, the phloem sap moves to the area of lower pressure. With the help of water content, the phloem sucrose is moving to the lower pressure area. By active transport, sucrose move into the cell where it is utilized or stored. As sugars are removed, the osmotic pressure decreases and water moves out of the phloem. First, water is entered to the phloem. Where the pressure is low, that area the sucrose has to move. After pressure decreases, the water moves out of the phloem. This is the translocation of sugars. Now we are going to see ascent of sap and its event overview. Ascent of sap. The upward movement of water from the root to aerial parts of the plant is called ascent of sap. In this, number of factors play a role in ascent of sap and takes place. We'll see one by one. First one, root pressure. Water from the soil enter into the root hair due to the osmosis. Root pressure is responsible for movement of water by the base of the stem. Root pressure. Create the root pressure. Already we saw the root pressure. Due to root pressure only, the water enter into the base of the stem. Next, capillary action. Water or any liquid rises into a capillary tube because of physical factor. What is physical factor? The phenomenon is capillary action. The physical factor means the moving upward the water, the gap will come. That is physical factor. In the same way, the stem water rises up to certain height because of capillary action, the movement of water. Next, adhesion. Adhesion means the force of attraction between the molecules of different substances is called adhesion. Water molecules stick to a xylem because of force of a adhesion. Adhesion means force attraction between the molecules of different substances, that is called adhesion. And cohesion. Cohesion means attraction of molecules between the water molecules. The force attraction between the water molecules is called cohesion. Adhesion means attraction between different substances. Cohesion means attraction between the water molecules. Next, transpiration pull. Transpiration pull. The stomata create vacuum which create the suction means absorption, called transpiration pull. The stomata create vacuum, the vacuum filled with water, so water is pulled from the down to the top of the aerial part of the plant. This is create transpiration pull. The transpiration pull sucks the water column from the xylem tube, and thus water is able to rise great height even in the tallest plant. That is transpiration pull. Due to transpiration pull only, the water is pulled from the root to the aerial part, that is tallest plant, top of the leaves also. Now let us see guttation. Guttation means this is a leaf. Above the leaves, water droplets are there. Dews, this is dews, are water droplets on the leaves of grass seen in the early morning. The chill area, chill climate, humid climate, the excess water present in the plant. The excess water is exhausted in the form of liquid. When the morning you can see all the leaves, some droplets are present. This is due to the root pressure. This phenomenon is called guttation. This phenomenon is called guttation, which takes place through specialized cell called hydatodes. Specialized cell called hydatodes. The morning, when morning you can see that December, Jan, that month you can see the droplets in the leaves in the early morning. Thank you.